Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam.
I'm Jess.
And today we're here to do some pin trading at the Disneyland Resort. Definitely going to check out the new pins that dropped. There's some new boxes that I revealed on my last video about the pins or whatever.
I love when there's new mystery boxes.
I haven't had a chance to see them in person yet, so I'm really excited to purchase them. We got to buy me coffee, so special shout out to Bernice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You are contributing to this channel and making this video like 2 minutes longer. So thank you so much. Anyways, other than that, that's pretty much it. Gonna get some popcorn because we have our buckets.
Tomorrow's the last day, but today's the last day for us.
So we're really excited to be here. It's 7:45 right now, so hopefully we are able to get some good pins right now.
It was raining again.
But now it should be done. Yeah. So don't you just hate that little sprinkle rain? Like, that irritates me so much. Like literally, I love the rain, but when it just like sprinkles and it's just like, it's really annoying. But anyways, other than that, let's go have some fun. There goes social media Jazz, back at it again. I missed that. It's pretty packed right now, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think it'd be this packed. Hate to see it, man down. Alright, let's see what's on this board. So far, nothing.
Oh my god.
This is real time Jasmine discovering this Cheshire one.
And
other
this
Alice
one.
ones.
And this one. What? Oh my. Okay.
Tons of OEs. And look at that one too, that Alice solo one.
Oh my god.
Nice.
I do like this one, but I said I wasn't sure if I was going to collect Alice anymore, but I love this scene in the movie. Adam thinks the movie's weird.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
So these are the brand new OEs. It's Alice. The
These are $12.99. This one's $14.99, and this one's $19.99.
Again, we'll go over them in our weekly video. Me and Jasmine saw a preview of these pins like a while ago, and
they're so
they're finally
cute.
here. Yeah, they're really cute.
$12.99, $12.99, $19.99.
There you go. I really like that Mickey one. The Donald one is hilarious because like, why is he grabbing his legs or his feet? You know.
That's how Adam looks when he sleeps.
All right, relax. This one is also new. It's like a jeweled one. This one is new. It's like a outline of
Look at that yoga one.
Yeah, this mini yoga one is funny. That one's new. That one's $12.99. These are all $12.99. And then this one's really cool. I like this suitcase one. It also opens. Let's see. Mickey ready to go wherever the wind takes him, or plane in that case. These Winnie the Pooh ones are new. This one's gold plated. This one's really nice as well. This one is $12.99. This Piglet $12.99.
Someone explain to me why this one is $14.99.
Oh, because they know what they're doing. They got you. And I'm pretty sure this one's new as well. And this one is also $12.99. This one is $12.99. They're all $12.99. Good job, Disney. Good job. At the pause point, Jasmine doesn't like when I ask you trivia questions.
I get embarrassed.
It was in the drawer, right? Yes, the drawer. Good job. Alright, so our trivia is what we get from you guys. So hopefully you like it, maybe you're not, and then you don't have to trade it if you don't want to.
I put Gaston. Alright, so I didn't end up doing the trivia there at the pause point, but the person in front of me got this question that I have no idea what the answer is, so I'm glad I didn't ask for it. But she said that Sleeping Beauty's castle is here at Disneyland. So what is the castle at Disney, Shanghai or Tokyo? One of them. I don't know, one of them. But yeah, I didn't even know they had like different castles like that. So.
Oh yeah, but I did, but I didn't know they like belonged to different like
princesses. Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense because Florida has different ones.
So if you know what the answer is to like Shanghai or all the other ones, just let us know. Cause I don't know.
We don't know.
I don't know. Let's see on this one.
Thank you.
Nothing right now. It's all dark. So far, nothing on this one. Alright. I don't see. That one's okay, but I'm gonna pass on that one. So Jazz and I are sitting here trying to figure out what comes out tomorrow for Pin Tuesday. We have no idea. It's the end of the month. It's the last Tuesday of the month, so we don't really have a good insight. But recently, I guess Disneyland started doing these again, and Disney World, but they released like the pins. Like they have like a flyer of pins that are gonna come out for the upcoming month, and they usually do them for Disneyland Paris and stuff. So it's really nice to see that they're finally doing it for the States, and definitely gonna go over them in a future video. So stay tuned for that one. But I don't know any release dates, so I don't know. Don't ask me. Alright guys, so here it is, the Villains box that we ended up getting. This one features the Villains. I did talk about this in one of my videos. I'm gonna stop plugging that video, so you guys.
I really want Maleficent from this, and that's about it. So there's Jafar, Cruella, Maleficent, Ursula, Evil Queen, Hook, Hades, the one from Mulan.
I'm pretty sure it's Shan Yu.
I'm not sure, but from Mulan. Is there one you want?
No.
Maleficent.
Just Maleficent. The Evil Queen one is not a bad one though, I will say. If anything, these are going to be good traders, because I don't think Jasmine's going to get the one she wants.
Don't say that. Thank you again, Bernice, very much for your Buy Me a Coffee donation.
Thank you. You really help us.
Yes. So, open this. Sorry, I don't want to break anything.
You're good, you're good.
I think it's Ursula, if I'm being honest.
The Urs.
I think. You thought you jinxed me.
I thought I did.
Yeah.
That was the trick.
Nice. And I almost made you swap the box. I was like, what if this is not the one?
I told her
Go pick
to
a
get
different
this
box. And he was like, no.
This is it.
Let me see. Ooh, that's really nice. Next one.
Yeah, that is a nice pen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, at this point now it doesn't matter what you get. Let's go Evil Queen.
It's not.
Oh, okay. Let's go Herc.
No.
Oh, Jafar. Jaffrey.
That's not a bad box. I mean, personally, I don't care for Jafar, but...
I hold this like... Let's zoom in. So, there's the Maleficent one. And here's the Jafar. And here's them together. Good sized pins.
The box is $19.99.
So me and Jazz ended up getting popcorn, and we tore that up. The popcorn over here at the Tomorrow Landing cart, by right next to the, yeah. What did I say?
Tomorrow Landing.
Oh, okay, yeah, right next to the Tomorrow Landing store. It has the best popcorn. Always
like
fresh.
The butteriest.
Always butteriest.
The Main Street one's the worst one, I think.
Yeah.
This is my first movie. I have never lost it. I take so much pride in it, but I've never had to like.
Nothing on this one. All right, guys. So I've been looking for this pin for a long time. Ever since they released like these like 3D like metallic ones or something. I haven't found the Maleficent one. But everybody says the Maleficent one's the most popular one. I finally found the restock here at Westward Ho Trading Co. And it's a really nice pin. This one retails for $14.99. Yeah, I like this pin a lot. What about you, Jazz?
Yeah, I do. It's really nice.
Let's see on this one. This one's interesting. I've never seen this animation. It's goofy. That one's pretty cool. But I'm gonna pass. Alright, let's see on this one. Nothing today. Nothing today. Alright guys, so check this out. Jazz and I were walking back to the car so we could finish up this video and do the outro. And then So like I'm like walking past some cars, right? Obviously, and this lady like sticks her head out and she goes, "Hey," and I was like, "Huh?" And I, not to be a head ass, but I thought she knew us or something. And she was like, "You guys want to buy some Girl Scout cookies?" And I was like,
yeah.
"Yeah," because like we've had some earlier in the year, but like or season
we
or whatever. But
finished them so
her mom
fast.
bought us for them, so like randomly. So like I didn't even know they were really in season. But anyway, so this lady came by, or she was just like she opened up her trunk and everything, and boom, there's like boxes and boxes and boxes of them. At first, I only got this one, but I was like, you know what? Let me get those lemon
He's
ones
like throwing
too.
a lemonade.
I was feeling generous. $6 a box, but it is what it is.
The peanut butter ones are so addicting. I'm like, I'm just gonna have one, and then yeah.
And then the sleeve's gone.
No.
Because of me too. Anyway, so that was pretty much it, guys. Sorry about the boards. It's just really hard right now because they're just not putting them out as much.
Especially when it rains too, they just don't. I don't know.
No, yeah, when it rains, they definitely close some locations that have boards. Excuse me. And yeah, stuff like that happens unfortunately when it rains, but it is what it is. Other than that, pretty solid.
A lot of new pins like randomly dropped today, and it's a Monday.
Disney's killing it with their OEs, open editions, their rack pins, and we really appreciate for that. And thank you again to Bernice for buying me a coffee.
Thank you so much.
Jasmine, she's
I
glad her
got
her
the
pool.
Cheshire pin, and
She got the pin that she wanted from the pool.
Yeah.
From unboxing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, guys. Other than that, if you aren't already following us on Instagram, please do so at Adam Christmas with a Z. And if you're brand new here, please do consider subscribing on YouTube. And anything else?
No, that's it. I'm ready to open these Girl Scout cookies.
Right on. Oh, let us know if you have your favorite Girl Scout cookies.
That tells a lot about a person. I hate Thin Mints. He likes Thin. I'm surprised you didn't get Thin Mints.
Well, because I eat two, and then I just put them away. And
I don't eat them.
They go to waste sometimes.
Anyways, good night.